Are you ready to take your design skills to the next level? Computer Training Wales offers comprehensive InDesign courses for all experience levels. Our beginner course is perfect for those new to desktop publishing. You'll learn the basics of layout, typography, and image placement as you create brochures, flyers, and more. For those with some InDesign experience, our intermediate course delves into advanced features like interactive PDFs, object styles, and data merge. And for seasoned designers, our advanced course explores the most intricate techniques. Master complex automation, XML integration, and push your creativity further than ever thought possible. Wherever you are in your InDesign journey, our expert instructors will guide you through real-world projects and industry best practices. Enhance your skills and unlock new career opportunities in just one day. Computer Training Wales, empowering you to produce polished, professional publications with Adobe InDesign.